Yo, what up, guys? Today I'm gonna be cleaning the engine bay because it's mad dirty. Let me show you. Gotta buy this cover. You see how dirty it is. It was worse before. I cleaned it, but like nothing. I didn't use no soap, no nothing. I'm gonna be cleaning it the same way I clean my 370Z. Whoever remembers that video, I'm gonna use Degreaser, a hose, and yeah, that's it. First, I'm gonna get all the dirt off with the same brush I used last time, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But yeah. Also, guys, I did lower the car more. It used to have like a pretty big gap, but now it's lowered. Let's see. I can feel my finger, but barely. Same here. I can barely feel my finger here. But yeah, I lowered it. Looks much better now. Also, I did do my grill black. Sheesh. I didn't do a video on the grill because I feel like there's already enough videos on YouTube doing that. So I just didn't really make a video on that. Same as this engine bay, but I had nothing to upload, so I might as well. Also, I will be installing test pipes. I know I said no performance mods, but this car is too quiet, so I will be doing that. All right, guys, so first I'm gonna get all the dirt out, and yep, I'll show you that. So guys, the same brush I'm gonna use last time. It works good. It gets dirt off the middle type places. Bunch of dirt here, and that's gonna come off with the it's gonna come off when I hose that thing down. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep seeing it, but I'm gonna fast forward it, so yeah, enjoy. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna use the degreaser. It's not this bottle. I just got the shit from another bottle, but this is a Formula 88. It's a cleaner degreaser, etc., and it does the job. So yeah, I'm gonna just spray it everywhere. That thing has a strong smell. Fuck. Don't be scared, guys, to do this. A lot of people say, oh, you'll probably mess it up if you hose it down, etc. But I've done it before. I've seen other people do it, so you should be fine. But yeah, just get it everywhere. gonna just let it sit for a minute. I just want to get everything. I mean, if you do have let's say short ramp intakes, you are gonna want to cover your filters, of course. That's obvious. All right, so I'm gonna just let it sit now, and the next clip will be me hosing it down. All right. Yeah, I'm just letting it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'll hose it down. Look at that, Mrs. Yeah, just let it sit, guys. A couple minutes. Just hold it down. We'll see how it looks after. So yeah, guys, right now I'm just hosing it down. Like I said, don't be scared to do this. You'll be fine. I think that's good. Now what I'm gonna do is dry it up. You can use like a microfiber towel or whatever you have. Yeah, just dry it up, but something clean, of course. And I'll show you guys how the engine bay is looking after. All right, well, there you guys have it. And guys, this is just a quick wash. Like, not even using no little shiner for the plastic. None of that. Which you could use. You could buy at auto parts for like maybe $5. So I don't know. But it does look much cleaner than before. All that dirt that was there. Okay guys, well, everything is dry. I'm not 100% pleased. I mean, this right here does look really clean though. You can see the cover, you know, is like, well, maybe just the black of it has faded, but I mean, it does look dirt free. Like if I removed a bunch of dirt. But since I'm not fully happy with how the engine bay looks right now, I bought this right now. Back to black. It's like a plastic restorer. So I'm gonna do it on everything that's black here, basically the cover. I'm gonna do it on the intakes, those covers, the cover in the back, this one as well, and yeah. So we'll see how it looks after this. I heard it's really good. Yo guys, I 100, can't stress this enough, I 100% or would recommend the plastic restorer. Holy shit. What? The plastic restorer is $10 at auto parts. I totally recommend it, no doubt. Well, yep guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learn you could do like a little quick engine bay wash by yourself. You don't have to pay no one $40-50 to do it, and you'll probably end up cleaning it better than them. This is really bothering me right here. I need the logo. All right guys, till next video.